Come down, Eli. This is easy to climb, right? No, it's a climb.
Oh, there's a space.
Yeah.
Kind of left that door too. That's why I moved that way.
That's a caterpillar.
Bro, this is open. It's not unsafe.
But it's easy enough in my house.
We should put pumpkin in here.
Okay.
You can see him better with Uncle Boo at. See his face.
You're finding stand out. You're lame.
Sorry.
Go get Egypt.
I want to know this.
Come over here.
Oh, look at the deer.
Está bien bonito.
Tan mamacitas tan.
Their body temperature regulated.
With that, I am going to wrap up my talk. That way our feeding station can open back up.
Mommy.
If you have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of the food. Thank you very much.
Mommy, how about do it? Vamos a mirar el que está. Mira eso ahí. Es que comer.
Leaves everywhere. Surviving.
It's Eli. It's Eli. They're taking whole thing.
Look at that guy.
Oh, otro.
Man, he is out. He picked the right place and shade. He is out.
Un niño también, un niño.
Oh, that's so cute.
No, no. I know.
If the fish come out, I'm gonna throw it.
No, no.
Ready?
No.
I'm gonna get. Oh, it's there. The little fish is there. Look, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Jump for B. Oh, mira eso. I already did. That one's supposed to be bigger than that. There's 3. Sí, hay 3. Giant eating. Él me puse a comer hormigas. Mira ahí. Pero mira eso. Pero ¿por qué? I should realize why there's trash. This is so hard. What is it? Oh, Look at that huge ant here.
Greg's still here. What is this girl trying to do?
Oh my gosh.
Which side of them right now?
No, let's go. To the next
Para limpiar.
Oh.
¿Qué es eso? Escucho un coche.
Grande.
very, really slow. But the years were outside, I'm inside. It's sideways. Where is his maybe like he has a baby. Imagine that goes inside him and then it will start to speak. Okay. It doesn't sound really disgusting. Imagine you ate my balls and it popped. I can't imagine that.
Can I get an instant vlog? You have to